we are crossing the Ruigi city. We are going to Changuzo from Gitega, and on this road before Changuzo, Ruigi is a major city. This is Burundian National Highway number 1313. You can find this beer bottle statue in every big city. Park the National Darugu 74 km, Muinga 110 km. This is Burundian President photo. This is the bar. India we say National Highway, in Burundi they say Road de National du Burundi. Now Changuzo is 48 km from Ruigi. We are going to Changuzo. This is some hardware store. This is Kupak Bank, Interbank Burundi, Ruigi branch, BCB Bank branch, bread shop. This is the biggest church in Ruigi. Now we are at outside Ruigi city. You can see the greenery, the mountains.